Here we go, got our new Minn Kota Powerdrive all hooked up. Right, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Hog Hunter Bros YouTube channel. I'm your host, Geo Pizza. I'm in the garage right now. Today's video is going to be installing our new Minn Kota Powerdrive trolling motor. Swapping out the old motor guide that was giving us issues with the directional arrow. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and pause the video real quick and hit that subscribe button down below and turn your notifications to on, and you'll never miss another upload from the Hog Hunter Bros. Alright, this is how our old trolling motor is set up. We've got the motor guide. It's a 4-prong plug. Plugs into the receptacle here. So we're going to have to get a new plug, connect the wires for the new trolling motor, so we can plug it into here. And then those wires run back to our battery compartment. They run back to our battery compartment, to our two 12-volt batteries. So we won't have to change that wiring out. All we have to do is change that plug up front. Took this plug off an old burnt up trolling motor. I just gotta cut these ring terminals off and connect them. Screw it in, connect the plug, and then we'll have the 4-prong plug. Just plug it right into the receptacle. I just gotta snip these terminals off, connect them to the plug here, and we'll be good to go. I'll go ahead and cut these ring terminals off. Now I gotta take off some of this tubing, connect it into the plug here. Alright, I got both sides ready. Go ahead and wire in the plug.
Connect this first real quick. Tighten it. Connect positive. Tighten that one down. Keep it nice and snug. There it is.
Just gotta tighten a couple more screws, but had the old ring terminals on there. Connected a 4-prong plug, so I could plug it right up into our front receptacle. How we had our old trolling motor set up. Quick and easy. Next step will be taking the old one off, taking the old mount off, and then remounting the new one. Plugging it all in and going test it out. And there it is, fully hooked up, installed. That's how you change out the ring terminals on a new Minn Kota Powerdrive to a switch, to a plug. Good to go now. Just plug it right up into the front receptacle. Have them all connected with the wing nuts. That's pretty quick and easy to switch them out. Just take off a couple wing nuts. Switch out the batteries. Just gonna connect one battery for now. And here's the anchor to connect 24 volts. And then I could run another one if I wanted to connect to 36 volts. Take off this old motor guide. Set it on the boat for now. There's the old one. Ran to the foot pedal and plugged in here. 4-prong plug. Plugged in up front. Looks like it was mounted on 4 bolts. 4 bolts going through it. So take this off, this old mount. You see where the new Minn Kota mount lines up. If we have to drill new holes, we'll drill new holes. Got the old trolling motor off. Just got to take the mounting bracket off and put the Minn Kota mount on. Their new Minn Kota Powerdrive. Alright, go ahead and unscrew these 4 screws here. Take off the old mount. See where the holes line up for the new one. If we have to drill some new holes, we'll put some new holes in it. Got this first piece off. There's 6 more screws. Get these all unscrewed. And this should come right off. Alright, I got those 4 screws out. Open this up. Let's see if what I could see under there. Got all these wires plugged in for the accessories. And for the plug. Want to be real careful we don't get anything unplugged or rip anything out. Yeah, you see the mounting bolts are way back there. I'm gonna have to unplug all these wires so we can get in there. I got it all opened up. You gotta reach in there with some vice grips. Unscrew that bolt there. There's 4 of them. There's 4 more. Black and blue. It's got black and blue flakes and gold flakes. I'm GL Pizza. You're watching the Hog Hunter Bros YouTube channel. I'm in the garage right now, hooking up our new Minn Kota Powerdrive trolling motor. Took off the old motor guide trolling motor. Swapping it out with a new Minn Kota. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Got it all mounted up. Got 4 bolts on this side, 4 bolts on that side. All tightened up. Said to use 6 total. We used 8 total. Nice and sturdy, especially for Okeechobee when it's super rough out there and that wind's blowing. Want a nice sturdy mount for our trolling motor. Ain't going nowhere. Just have to close this up. Plug in a couple more wires here. Close this up. Screw those screws in. And I'll be able to plug it in right here into the receptacle. All good to go. Alright, there we go. Got it all mounted up. Got 4 bolts. Just screwed the battery cables back in. Pop this back into place. Got something blocking it. There it goes. Just gotta put in 4 screws right there. That's all good. Go ahead and plug this in, and then we'll test it out. Do a dry test. Reconnect the batteries real quick. Plug in the trolling motor. Then we'll do a dry test. Alright, there it is. Got the new trolling motor all set up. Got everything fixed up. Had to turn the light a little bit. Got the light put back in. Everything sealed back up. Full charge, ready to go. Go do a water test. New Minn Kota Powerdrive. Major upgrade. Thanks for watching.